Look at what Sarah did.
It was the best thing I ever did.
Not being able to use the belt, she decided she would transport it by kicking it down the stairs.
I didn't kick it, it rolled. I pushed it.
You pushed it, same thing.
Much better.
And this is what happened.
Do you want to bring some down to me, guys?
How about I kick them down at you?
Okay. Don't forget yours up top.
No, I won't. Ta-da.
Awesome.
Wah, wah. Sarah gets shamed.
Oh well. You know what? It wastes more time. That's what I said.
And that's our motto here at Shoppers. Do what wastes more time. For the win.
Nice, Curtis. I was just I was getting some paper towel from upstairs. And I fell.
Yeah. Sure.
Nope.